Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to put additional system clocks on your Windows 11 operating system. Now the way to do this is you can go down the bottom here and you go to adjust date and time, and down the bottom you've got additional clocks. Click on that and then you've got the window for additional clocks popping up, and you check the box here. That's your main clock, so whatever your time is there, give it a name, and then tick the box for the second clock that you want to show. And remember that this is international, so you can choose anywhere in the world. I've chosen Adelaide for the second one, and again, give it a name for the second clock, and click OK and apply. And then when you on the clock, if you hover over it, you can see it gives you a little display of Brisbane and Adelaide and local time, and if you click on it, you've got it up here as well, the Brisbane time and the Adelaide time. Thanks for watching.